State Supreme Court justice will be decided by voters in Wisconsin. During the spring election, one person will be chosen to replace Justice Michael Gableman, whose term is ending in July. So before you cast your ballot, News 8's Mal Meyer has what you need to know about these two candidates. Mal?
Martha, it's come down to the candidates Judge Michael Gableman and Judge Rebecca Dallett. The state Supreme Court is supposed to remain nonpartisan, but the candidates and their backers have made their positions clear. Judge Michael Gableman worked at a Madison law firm before being appointed to the Sioux County Circuit Court in 2015.
My commitment to upholding the rule of law makes me the best choice for service on our state's highest court. I have practiced law in courts all over the state of Wisconsin.
Before she was elected to the Milwaukee County Circuit Court, Judge Rebecca Dallett worked as an assistant district attorney.
I was a prosecutor for 11 years, standing up for victims in difficult cases like rape and child abuse.
Gableman's campaign has received hundreds of thousands of dollars from the Republican Party of Wisconsin. However, he says this won't influence his decisions.
Wisconsin has a history of sending the message that they want to see judicial conservatives on our bench, and that is judges and justices who will simply follow the law.
His opponent, Rebecca Dallett, has the backing of top Democratic leaders, including Vice President Joe Biden and U.S. Senator Tammy Baldwin.
We have a broken court, a court that is doing the bidding of the special interest money and the governor, and we need someone who is going to stand up and be fair and independent.
Spring elections typically have a low voter turnout, but both candidates hope that people will be willing to show up to cast a vote not only for who they are, but who they are not.
My opponent, on the other hand, is an extremist. He has blocked access to women's health care and been arrested for it.
She has indicated her intention to advance policy goals from the bench, and she stands poised to advance her liberal activist agenda.
Polls open at 7 a.m. and will close at 8 p.m. If you're not registered, you can do so at the polling location with the correct documents.
Well, hopefully the bad weather, what might happen with the weather, won't keep people away, but also what are the other major races that people might be seeing on the ballot?
So depending on where you live, there are certain referendums that may be applicable to your area, so you might want to investigate ahead of time to see if any of these are applicable to you.
All right, thanks so much, Mal. Also,